How to buy a Wendy's gift card online. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Wendy's on your device. Here, scroll down. At the bottom, you'll find gift cards. Simply click on gift cards at the bottom. After you click on gift cards at the bottom, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Now, in here, scroll down and click on purchase a gift card. If you want to buy in bulk, you can buy in bulk as well. Now, this is the preview of the gift card. Scroll down and click on next step. After you click on next step in here, select your amount. You can enter other amounts as well, quantity, and if this is a gift, you can add to whom and from whom. And if this is for me, you can click on this is for me and then add your shipping information like your first name, last name, phone number, address, city, and state postal code. After you've done that, press on add to cart at the bottom, and after you do that, add your payment method and purchase your gift card. This is how to buy up Wendy's gift card online. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.